Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can see message requests on Facebook Messenger. So this is a very simple tutorial, so let's just jump right into it. So the first thing you'll have to do is open your Messenger application, and at the top left corner you'll see this icon with the three lines. You are going to hit on that, and as you can see right here, we have under the marketplace option we have message requests, so we can hit on that. And as you can see right here, you have all the message requests that people want to send you. So if you want to, you can just go and tap that conversation right here, and you can delete or block that conversation, or you can reply to the conversation, and once you reply to that conversation, it will go to your inbox. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.